Alright, let's draw a very nice and simple sketch within this framework. Okay, this is a canvas of a white paper. You can see I have the crayon or the oil pastel in my hands, and I'm going to draw a simple lines from the left to the right side. So it's going to be a straight lines, as you can see. Okay. All right, and from this corner I'm just putting little bit ups and downs for the hilly area. So you can see that to draw the mountains you have to draw some higher lines from the top. Okay, and there's going to be a sun here. And few strokes on the ground, on the you can see here skylines. Okay, so we're putting the shades for the sun, you can see, to the outer circle. Okay, and the skylines, this is the mountains, just mixing up the crayon colors with the finger tips, but you can also use the the blending stamp to make the things easier, but also it's also easy with the hands and the fingertips. Okay, so you can see some shades here. All right, putting the sun on the canvas. And few lines also, you can see the reflections of the mountains over the water, so it's become a little bit darker in this corner. Okay, for the detailing you can use a 6B pencil and define the border lines with the water and the mountain lines here, making it darker. And also the top of the mountains, just putting up like the borders. All right, some birds may be flying in this area. Okay, and you can draw a sailboat coming from the middle of the sun and making it a darker outlines here. And the main body of the boat you can see at the bottom. And its shade fallen on water. Okay, also you can see the rope on the other side, a boatman sitting here and rowing the boat. Okay, so the whole canvas, you can see it's very nice and very easy, and the water body near us is going to be nicely mixed up. Let's do it with the mixing point nicely. I'm just using my hands to mix up the crayon colors, okay, within the full canvas. So there's the drawing, very simple and easy, and we have done it before 5 minutes, so very less amount of time. And I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.